Hey everybody, I'm going to do one of my favorites, which is a book quote for you today. I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law. We're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey. We provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you are planning your estate soon, or you need help administering one after the loss of a loved one, we can assist, and you can reach us for a free consultation at 𝗑𝘶𝗶𝗹𝗲𝗋𝗆𝗃. And speaking of value, we are also here to educate you for free. So please ask questions and don't forget to share so together we can help some folks along the way. Now, the book I'm going to read from today, I only just started. I learned about it from a friend just last week, and it is entitled Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less by McKeown. McKeown? I don't know how to pronounce it. McKeown, McKeown, probably. Anyway, I've only just begun this morning, in fact, but already I can see there's going to be a lot of good stuff in here. The one thing, two quick quotes I'm going to give you from this is sort of the overarching sentiment on page 10 here says, if you don't prioritize your life, someone else will. That doesn't sound so great. You need to make choices for yourself, but it's important to make the right choices. And he gets to, a few pages later, how there's an overwhelming amount of information and options out there for us, especially today. So there can be what's called decision fatigue, right? This is on page 15. And he states that the more choices we are forced to make, the more the quality of our decisions deteriorate. And that makes sense. When we have so many options out there and we're maybe in the mode of saying yes to a lot, we get overwhelmed and we end up being pulled in a million different directions, but not getting very far. So I think all successful people figure out, hey, what is the one or two things in my life that requires my attention? Maybe it's more than two, obviously, because we have professional life, personal life, etc. But taking, say, your career, your profession for a moment, there's maybe no more than a handful of things that you want to move forward at any given time or any given, say, quarter in a year. And you should focus on what's the next step to progress those things. And until you've seen that through and then get to the next one, we don't worry about that. And we just keep projecting forward in those few things that provide value to your ultimate goals. This, of course, can be applied also in personal life, right? If you're trying to improve a relationship or have more time for your friends or do something special with your kids. In fact, my kids and I were just talking about having mommy dates every month again, which we had done in the past. So when you have something of importance to you, you need to prioritize it and figure out what those things are so you're not pulled in a million directions and making almost no progress in those million different directions, but making sure you're making strides in the ones that matter. Don't get distracted by all the stuff, which we can often do. Again, I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law. We're an estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey. If you need some assistance planning your estate or administering one following the loss of a loved one, you can reach out to us for free consultation at 𝗑𝘂𝗹𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗃. We hope you've taken some good information from today's little chat. And don't forget to share. And as always, take care. Bye-bye.